In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can install PHP on IIS with a web platform installer. So the first thing that we'll do is visit this website, that's iis.net/downloads/microsoft/web platform installer. Click on this install this extension button and the web platform MSI installer will be downloaded. Just click on it to open it up and start the process. You need to accept the terms and conditions, then click on install. And now, as you can see, the status is almost complete over here, publishing assembly information, and all we need to do now is click on finish. Now that we have installed this extension, we need to open up IIS, and here under management you will find the web platform button coming up. Just double click on it and this is going to launch web platform installer, from where we will be able to install support for PHP on IIS. Now once it's launched, we need to go to the products tab, and here we'll need to go to frameworks, and here you can see that we already have PHP 5.3.28 installed, and we can obviously go ahead with other versions of PHP if we want to. For instance, over here you can see we have PHP 7.033 for 32-bit, and then we have this one for 64-bit. Similarly, the other versions of PHP are also available, along with the 32-bit and 64-bit versions. So if we want to add something, we can go ahead and click on add, and then click on install. This is going to add support and prerequisites for the PHP version. You can see the download size over here, 24.32. Let's go and click on I accept. Then here it will take you to the install tab, and from there to configure, and then finally finishing off the installation. So once we have installed the PHP version, the next thing that we need to do is go to sites and configure a new website which we can use over here. So we'll go to sites and we'll say add website, give it a name like PHP web, and then a directory. So here I've created some PHP example files, and I'll be just providing that physical part over here. And then obviously we have the type defined over here. Let's click on OK. So here it says that the port 80 is already assigned to another site. So what we need to do over here is just give it another port 8080, and then click on OK. Now we have the website available over here, and we can just go ahead and browse this. And there you go. The index.php page is now being served over here, and that's how easy it is to host a PHP web site on IIS using a web platform installer.